frei hängt. Gib mir einfach das Gewicht vom Kopf. Das versuche nicht selber zu halten. Okay. Ich drehe erstmal, um zu gucken, wie weit du kannst. Oh, weit. Da ist Schluss, ne? Okay.
Neutral, and then a small lift in that direction. Just holding him for a second. Yeah, that one's all good.
Swing from way underneath here all the way around. Shoulders down. Bring this arm. I'm going to have you roll over towards your right, slide to the right, get your shoulders down, like that. It's okay? Second one, we're going to roll to the left and towards the right. Good. A little further. And then that's it. Now let your head drop. Good.
75?
77.
77? You sound 77, doesn't it? Okay. Good. Okay. Good, nice. You're back. Good. Wow.
Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time.
Oh yeah, boy, that was a home run. That's why I call it the ring dinger, RD. Yep, good job. You're still kicking. Excellent. Boy, oh boy.
Let me adjust her neck laying down.
A little bit of a tender spot there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start there. So tip this right ear over to your shoulder. Good. And we'll go one more time. Awesome. And out. And we're gonna go one more time here. Big breath in. And out. Good job.
What I'm doing is just pre-tensing him. I'm just waiting for him to kind of give me the opportunity to relax so I can get that adjustment like that. He's already starting to pop on this side. This side's not nearly as tight as the other side was. Good.